I'm going to set the drone down right here, and then I'm going to come back. All right, I think that's a little bit better. So for me, just to make it go up, all I really have to do is press this button here, and it will take off. So when I press this, the drone is going to come up in front of me. Oh, I got to press and hold, I think. There we go. And there she goes. All right. So now you guys can see it. There it is. Okay, so on the controller, if I press this to the left, it'll go to the left. If I press it to the right, it comes to the right. If I pull on it, it'll come back towards me. See that? If I push forward, it goes forward. I don't want to go into my screen though. So let's pull it back. There it is. See if you guys can see. All right, let's pull back a little bit more. All right, now I'm going to go to the right. I'm going to go to the left. Right. All right, so you can see I'm going to the right. And I'm going to the left. I'm going to try to get it up a little bit. There we go. So now it's up in the air. I'm going to pull it back towards us. To the left. There we go. Now it's right in front. Forward. Back. All right, now I'm going to make it spin around in a circle by pushing this. You see that? It's going all the way around. And then I'm going to stop. Now I'm going to come back a little bit. And I'm going to go the opposite direction. It's going all the way around. And then I'm going to stop. And I'm going to pull it back towards me. Come to the left. Come to the right. Now I'm going to go up and down. And I'm going to go to the left. Now I'm going to turn it around and face me. All right. Now I'm going to push forward and it's going to come right towards me. Go up a little bit. I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to go to the right. All right. So when I push to the right, it goes to my left. You see that? So let's go. I'm going to go backwards just a little bit. There we go. Now when I push it this way, it goes the opposite way. You see that? All right, so if I push it forward, it comes towards me. If I push it back, it goes back. Now if I push it forward, it comes towards me. Let me turn it a little bit more. There we go. Now you can see me perfectly. So I'm going to go to the right, which is my left, and I'm going to go to the left. Now I'm going to come towards me, and then I'm going to come down a little bit. I'm going to go backwards. Now I'm going to go forward. To the left. It takes a while to get it. Go to the left. Backwards. There we go. And so now right, left. So you see when it's facing you, I'm going the opposite way. Now if you notice, it's got blue lights. That kind of tells you which way it's going. So I got to say, it's pretty cool.